So a few days ago, I asked you guys, what type of product would you like me to create an affiliate funnel around? And you guys chose the #1 selling Clickbank product out there, Leptitox. It has over a 500 gravity. You earn $66 per sell. And so what I decided to do is spend the past 7 hours creating a full-blown funnel for you guys. And what I want to do is I want to dive into the computer, show you guys this funnel, show you guys how I built this funnel out, kind of the inner workings of it, the psychology behind it. So I hope you guys are excited. If you are, let me know in the comments. Say I'm stoked, I'm excited, give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And we will be doing a full-blown case study with this funnel. I spent so much time on it, I might as well run some traffic to it, see what kind of results that we get from it, and kind of go from there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the computer and show you guys the funnel. So first of all, for those of you guys that don't know what Leptitox is, how to find it, I'm just gonna go ahead and log into Clickbank right now, log into the account. And then I'm gonna go over to the marketplace right here. And I'm just gonna type in Leptitox. And you can see right up here, the average amount per sell is $66.65. The gravity is almost 574. And you got the affiliate page right here. So this is what the sales page actually looks like, as you can see. And then if we go ahead and dive over to the affiliate page, all you need to do is scroll down, enter your name and email address here, give me access. They're going to send you the details to get access to all these resources at your email address, but you'll also get access to them instantly. So what I decided to do is just kind of take a gander at the different swipes that they have, because what I want to do is I want to create a pre-sale page out of that. And you want to, when you create a funnel, you want to think about the traffic source that you're going to use, because there's compliance issues that come into play, especially with dieting, weight loss, making money online offers. You have to be really careful about what you say and how you say it. And they actually gave you some really, really good advice here. If I actually scroll down a bit, it will give you some insight as to like how to promote on Facebook, right? So to keep your account compliant and in good standing with Facebook, we recommend that you do not use the phrase weight loss in your headlines and ad copy. Especially stay clear of any weight loss claims. And then they also give you some headlines that you can use in your ads. So I created this funnel with Facebook in mind and with YouTube in mind, because those are the two traffic strategies that we're going to be using when we promote this offer. So I just wanted to kind of see at first, what type of affiliate tools do they have available? Let's kind of educate ourselves on the offer a little bit and see kind of the best way, the best angle to promote it from. And so what I decided to do is I scrolled down here a little bit more. We got the ad images, we got the landing pages. They've got some good assets here that we can use. And essentially what I did is I went down here and I saw this article right here on what is leptin resistance. And actually, it wasn't that one. It was the first one right here. It was article #1. Why do we crave sugary food? And I thought that this would be a great pre-sell, aka a pre-frame into the product. So what you want to do, especially with affiliate offers, is you want to lead people to a pre-sale page before you lead them to the offer. You never, ever want a direct link to the offer. That is a surefire way to get you shut down. What I mean by direct linking is linking from a paid advertising platform, whether it be Facebook or YouTube, directly to the offer using your affiliate link. That will get you shut down. You want to send them to a landing page first, whether that be an opt-in page or a pre-sale page, and then from there, you can send them to the offer. Okay, so what we decided to do in this case is I decided to create an opt-in page and a pre-sale page in one, which is a page where they can actually watch a video, consume quality content, and then opt into my email list to where I can give them value and follow up with them. And then from there, I send them to a thank you page, because that allows me to track my leads. Now, the tough thing with affiliate offers is you can't always track sales. unless you start bringing in a lot of revenue, then you can reach out to the product owner and say, hey, can you place a pixel on your checkout page so I can track which ad sets, which ads are creating conversions for me? Now, in this case, since we're in the beginning stages, we're just starting to promote this offer, we can't do any of that stuff quite yet. So what we need to do is we need to put a thank you page right here. Because we can't place a pixel on the sales page, unless, a certain instance you might get lucky and the product owner may, maybe you have some credentials, maybe you've made a lot of sales in the past with other products and you have a big list, then they're more than likely to do that for you. But in most cases, they're not going to allow you to do that. And so that's why you want to place this thank you page, this extra step right here, so you can track your conversions from this page to this page. You see what I'm saying? Because you're not going to be able to track your conversions from this page to this page because you're going to need to put the conversion pixel on this page, which again, they're not going to allow you to do. Okay, so this is the way that we built out the funnel. So let me walk you through the funnel in its entirety. Okay, so here is the actual landing page of the funnel. And let me kind of break down the psychology behind it. So number one, what I did is, of course, I went and I looked at all the different assets that were provided, as I explained before. And, I took bits and pieces. I'm like, okay, well, let's go back to the headline. Okay, I'm liking this headline right here that, they're using in Facebook ads. And I can even use this, at the top of my landing page that people go to after they click, my ad. The 5-second water hack that kills food cravings. So what I decided to do is kind of take that and change it up just a little bit. Because a lot of times social media, they're not going to like the fact that you have kill in like a headline. So instead of that, I'm like, okay, let's go even a little bit more PG rated. So discover the 5-second water hack that eliminates food cravings. And it says turn your volume up and press the link below. And so what I decided to do in this video is I essentially took this article right here, this very first article, and I wrote it down on a text edit. You guys can actually see it right here. So I copied and pasted it. And then what I decided to do is just create a sort of sell style video that just has words and images on the screen. And then what I did first is I just recorded my voice and I read this article. And then after I just simply recorded my voice and then I played it back, and then that's when I started adding all the images. Now, I can't show you and display exactly how this was done because I'm actually using the screen recording software right now. I wish I could show you guys that stuff. But let me just show you a small portion of the video so you can kind of understand what I did. So let me go over here and let me play the actual video for you. For many of us, coming home to a pack of unopened cookies can feel like the adult version of Christmas morning. There's something about sugar that hooks us and keeps reeling us in again and again. Whether we like it or not, sugar has a major hold on us. If you're watching this, it's highly likely you understand and have firsthand experience of this allure. Sugar isn't just confectionery, it's compulsion. There's no such thing as stopping after just... So you kind of get the idea, right? So I just simply took that article, put it in video form, made it more engaging and added some images to it. That's it. So that's my value piece. That would be like the pre-sale. So I've got the opt-in page and the value all in one, the pre-sale all in one. You can also do this on 2 separate pages if you want to, but this is kind of just part of the test that I'm doing. So when people click, yes, I want access, then they can enter their name, their email address right here, and then yes, I want access. So they're going to go straight from that opt-in page / pre-sale page to the thank you page. Congratulations, your free video titled The 5-Second Water Hack That Kills Food Cravings has been sent to your email address. If you want access to it, go ahead and click the button below. And this is my affiliate link right here, which will send people straight to the offer right here. So thank you page to offer. And that's pretty much all I did. So the key was really making sure that I understand what the product is. Even if you need to go through the video, like listen to the video and then even read the text version, you can do that to really get more of an idea. And sometimes you could even take part of the text here and throw that on a pre-sale page. But you got to be careful because it's got to be compliant and it's got to be value-based. Now, since I'm going to be leveraging YouTube first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking the value piece. We go back here. I'm going to be taking this video right here. I'm just going to be running it as an ad. And then from that ad, I'll send people to this video and then send them through the process. If it's through Facebook, then I could definitely test this same video on the front end. Or I could test something that's maybe even a smaller piece that then sends people to this page and then sends them through the entire sales process. But I'm going to be documenting this every step of the way, kind of showing you guys what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, how I'm placing the ad, all of that cool stuff. But for this first video, I wanted to show you guys how you create a pre-sale. So you want to make the big promise on the opt-in page. So the big promise here is discover the 5-second water hack that eliminates food cravings. And then in the actual value piece, all you do is you want to give value that kind of helps them eliminate those food cravings, but doesn't completely solve the problem for them, because you want to get people to click. And that's exactly what this video does. It gives them enough value, but leaves them wanting more. So that is the funnel in its entirety. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, check out the links in the resources section below, and we'll see you in the next video.